welcome back to another Espley-Shone video. In today's video I am back in my model railway room and with some news to tell you guys. Yes, some news. So first news today is that my class 37 right here with number 37405 in direct rail services livery, I had it refurbished today. Well, kind of refurbished. What's the word? Well, my friend Richard, who owns this business called Trident Trains, which is at Dagfields. He mended the train because it had a chip, but the chip was causing it. So when it was going around the track basically. And it was it was going slower than someone walking basically. Second news is my dad has securely mounted the track. And the final news is my dad fixed this coach because it was tilting. I don't know why, it was just tilting. I mean, it's not a pendolino, folks. So I don't know why it's tilting. Well, it was tilting. Anyway, so the main focus today is the West Coast Highlander. Yes, the first train that I got. This train came with this brown box van, the Lochgelly, I think it's called. The DGS Petroleum and the box van. This was not included, and also this was like a add-on. So like when I wanted a breakdown train on the track. Oh, hold on. Excuse me for interrupting the show. There's Anasa and Sarah. Say hi to the camera, Anace. Aww. Yeah. And also, I tested out this class 58, and we've had some problems because I don't know how old this thing is. I think it's maybe 1980s or something. But something's really not right because all the time when I pop it on the track, what happens is basically, when I first got it, it wasn't working. Now it's working for some reason. I don't know why. Well, it's working now anyway. But like this locomotive here, it keeps on stopping and starting. Well, let's get into the video. Right, let's get into the video. But before we start in today's video, then please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you have turned on post notifications, so then you don't miss a single post. So right, let's get them going. Well, first I'll just show you the start of the show, the West Coast Highlander. Now let me tell you guys, these controllers they're not good. Yes, they're better than the 1980s Hornby controls because you had to swipe them to get them going. Oh gosh, because these basically heat up very easily. I mean, this pendolino set here, it came with this, a controller similar to this, and well, it was famous for it overheating basically. Right, let's get you started, mister. Right. And also, one of the main things is you have to have it at full control. Here we go, at full control. Because if you have it, I don't know, 12 on the dial, 1 at the dial, 13 at the dial, it just stops. So you have to have it at full dial. I will fix it, don't worry folks. Okay, let's get to class 50, the class 37 up and rolling. And nice speed as well. Oh, just listen to that beautiful noise. It's just amazing. Also, something else I got for the Class 37 was this Bachmann Easy Command Control Centre and the Bachmann. That was an accident, guys, ignore that. You've got the Bachmann Easy Command Companion. Yeah. Just looking around. Ugh. Don't need it. Oh man. Three, two. Oh, it's stopping. Yeah, that is very common because this thing, right, I got it in 2015. I got the Pendolino in, when did I get it? I think it's 2015. No, that was 2014. That was 2015. But since I didn't know anything about model trains, and I didn't look after it very well, so I think that's why it's stopping, buffering. Also, in the comments, I'd like you to pick a name for the little diesel over there, carrying, well, hauling the Mark II coaches and the car things, whatever they are. The car trucks. Yeah, the car trucks. Yeah. I'd like you to think of a name for this Class 37. Also, massive thank you. Well, also I'm going to do the shout outs as well. So the first shout out goes to Andrew Andrew's channel. Yeah, Andrew's channel. He does videos about trains and trucks, music, fans. Also to Typhoon as well. He is a racer in Typhoon Racing. And the very last shout out is Godly Gavester. No, not Godly Gavester. Godly. Yeah, Godly. Who does like Minecraft videos and Gang Beasts. He also does shout outs as well and videos of his cat. Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to this channel and make sure to turn on post notifications. If you enjoyed today's video, then please drop a like. You're awesome, guys. See you in the next video.